Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate, also called the interbank rate, for all conversions. This is the real-time rate you see on Google or xe.com, the midpoint between the buy and sell prices on global currency markets. Unlike banks and traditional providers, Wise adds no markup or hidden margin to the rate. Instead, Wise charges a separate, transparent fee, typically around 0.35% to 0.6% on major currency pairs, varying by amount and route. You see the exact rate, fee, and final amount your recipient gets before confirming any transfer. Key features: live rates. The rate updates in real time during processing for most transfers. Guaranteed rates. Wise often lets you lock in a rate for a short period, for example 48 hours, to protect against market fluctuations. Transparency. Rates are shown with up to 4 decimal places for display, but conversions use the full, precise mid-market rate. This model makes Wise significantly cheaper than banks, which often hide 3 to 6% markups inside poor exchange rates.